Welcome to the first lesson from the module on publishing link data from relational databases, something that is also known as RDB to RDF. In this module, we will learn how to generate link data from the data available in relational databases, which are the most common type of databases present in all kinds of organizations. Coming back to the link data generation process that we were discussing in the previous module, the material that we present in this module fits into the step of transforming the data source. That is, we want to extract data from the relational database and make it available as RDF. Let us see the different alternatives that we have for this RDF generation process. What do we get when we make relational data available as RDF? Well, basically we get an RDF graph, which can be queried using Sparkle, accessing directly to its resources if the data is published as link data, or made available as an RDF dump. Before continuing further, I would like to acknowledge the work from Dr. Juan Sequeda from Capcenta, formerly from the University of Texas at Austin, since most of the material used in this presentation is taken from his tutorial on RDB to RDF at ISWC 2013, or heavily inspired on his material. Let us now go into the description of what RDB to RDF is via a simple example. Let us imagine that we have a very simple database with two tables, person and city, which are related to each other via a foreign key, primary key relationship. The table on persons provides simple details like name and age, as well as the city where the person lives in. The table on cities contains simply the name of the city, together with its ID. Whenever we transform all this data into RDF, we can see that we generate resources like person 1, person 2, which refer to those persons that we have in the person table. And we also generate two resources, city 100 and city 200, which refer to those two cities that are in the table of cities. Furthermore, we expose also the columns, the column names, as FOV name or FOV age for each of these persons. And the same happens with the cities, where we are exposing the name of each of the cities as RDF. In general, when talking about RDB to RDF approaches, we can discuss about two types of scenarios. The first one is what we call direct mapping. Direct mapping can be done automatically, and the relational database structure is used as the basis for the export to RDF. R2RML mappings is the second one, and this is the one that is normally created manually and where the relational data is transformed into an RDF model that may not be fully related to the original relational data structure, but to an existing ontology or vocabulary, as we can see in the image. There are different reasons why one approach or the other may be considered by somebody willing to explore relational data into RDF, and hence two specifications were created at W3C for each of the cases. Both of these specifications, W3C recommendations, as it is also the case for RDF and Sparkle, were released in September 2012. In the following lessons, we will review these two specifications.